This is Swami Vishnudev Ashram, and this is actually our ashram here. And used to come here every year since I was a kid. Right now I'm going to go inside. ये है हमारा ashram. It was built a long time ago. Every year people come here from all over the places, from Dharamshala, Delhi, Dehradun, and we stay here for like 5 or 6 days. You guys have a dog over here now. I don't know how friendly this guy is. Ah. 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 Day number 6, Dharamshala to Calcutta by road in my camper. I am in Haridwar right now, and I keep on coming back at Har Ki Pauri. Beautiful place, crowded. I think I'll be moving out of here tomorrow sometime towards Lucknow. I just had a salad over here for 20 rupees.
हरिद्वार का फेमस खीरा है राजेंद्र भाई का।
बोल दिया है भाई, बोला कि यहीं पे खाया मैंने अभी. And this guy is selling fresh stuff over here. This one is on one of the multiple uncounted bridges over here. I don't know how many there are. I just keep on walking and crossing bridges. Oh yeah, it's fun. See those little helicopters flying up above there with the lights. They sell these toys for like 20, 30, 40, 50 bucks. I used to love buying these things when I was a kid. That's the way going up to the main market, the main road. No matter how many times I come here, it's not enough for me. Further, I will be going over to Varanasi and some other places. I'm pretty sure it's almost like this, and I will be falling in love with these places. Here is the second view and the last one that I'm going to be shooting over here. See a lot of people.
Smile face. 1 minute. Share the photo. 1 minute.